I once read a tweet that said, men only hate astrology because they can't mansplain it. And I think this is so accurate.
No, that's not accurate at all. Just hold up. Let me explain it to you real quick.
As a man, what can you tell me about conjunctions, trines, sextiles, orbs,
Talk about retrograde. Retrograde isn't what you think it is. It's basically an optical illusion because all of the planets orbit the sun at different distances and different speeds. They end up passing each other. It's kind of like when you pass a car on the highway and it looks like the car that you passed is now moving in the opposite direction, but it's just your perspective, right? From our perspective, it looks like Mercury is moving back and forth in the sky. Of course, it's not. And ancient people saw this and they thought there's some shift in the energy of the universe. But that's not what's happening. There's no shift in anything. It just looks that way. And if you didn't know that the overhead view of the solar system looked like this, you would have to come up with some sort of explanation for why this planet was moving from side to side in the sky. Talk about conjunctions. This is Jupiter and Saturn, and you can see that they look really close to each other. And again, these objects that tend to be farther apart and move across the sky at times seem to be very close. I mean, these planets look really close to each other, right? Again, this is an optical illusion. This is because of our perspective on Earth. It looks like these planets are close to each other from our perspective, but the reality is that even at their closest approach, they remain about 400 million miles apart. So there is no strange combination of energies. These things are as far apart as you can imagine. I don't hate astrology personally. I'm an astronomer, so I understand how the universe works. And I usually find that people who are into astrology also want to connect or realize that we're connected with the universe. Like this is all one big thing and everything isn't as discrete as it seems to feel, which I also resonate with. I mean, that's why I like doing science communication. Like it's very interesting to learn about the universe and learn that the stuff that makes up stars also makes us up. And the stuff that we have here on Earth is literally spread everywhere throughout the universe. Like this is captivating. This is an amazing story. It does always rub me the wrong way when people that clearly have belief systems that are not based in reality, right? The reality of retrograde and conjunction are what I just described. There's nothing mystical. There's nothing like bizarrely energetic or special. We understand the physics. It's all very straightforward. So you believe something fantastical, that's fine. But why do you have to be condescending as if those who don't share that belief are somehow like intellectually inferior to you? A man just couldn't possibly explain what's going on here. Anyways, hope you learned something.